Entrepreneurial values. Okay, first of all, what does the values mean in a entrepreneur? See, a civilized society considered qualities, some qualities like honesty, truthfulness, integrity, and so on, as important for happy and for because they consider this because it is said to be as a important for happy and healthy living. The sets of beliefs that provide standard with guide behavior is known as value. These sets of beliefs that guide particular sense of behavior is called a values. Okay, so values determine people consider to be good or bad for a civilized society. Okay, in entrepreneur values, it is related to about in relation to business. Social values define the objective of the business as well as the manner in which the business affair need to be conducted. Entrepreneurs share some of these qualities that guide and direct them, and hence these values are referred to as a entrepreneur values. So, what are these values? If we continue about, first is about action factor. What does the action factor means? These factors are those factors which arises due to the action of other, or or are a result of the influence of other of the entrepreneur. Means this arise due to the action of other. Okay, something happens because of others did, and this action factor arises. Next come environmental factor. This factor arises out of the environment in which an entrepreneur operates. So consider keeping in consideration with the environment in which entrepreneur operates, this factor arises out of environment. Next come personality factor. These factors depend upon the personality of the people. As per the consideration the quality of the people, this factor depends. Okay. Next, if we see about core values, what does the core value means? See, it is divided into four parts. First as innovation and creativity. So what does innovation and creativity lies? It depend upon such actions such as experimenting with ideas. For example, introduction of debit and credit cards in banking sector. Say innovation and creativity. Introduction of debit and credit card in banking sector means what is a cashless transaction. Facing uncertainty in order to try out of new ideas, any kind of uncertainty that we face in trying out of new ideas, not giving up or becoming upset when errors occur. Okay, when we become upset when there is a certain errors occur. Okay, finding problems to solve. There are some problems that need to be solved out. Finding new use for existing method of equipment. Okay, demonstrating originality, introduction of changes, providing critical inputs of new ideas, and so on. Okay, means what? Bring something new, innovative, and with a creative ideas and thoughts. Next, we see about it's of independence or ownership. Means what? Self-dependence, self-reliance. Okay, entrepreneurs derive great satisfaction in their sense of independence or ownership. Okay, they feel very satisfaction in feeling the independent leadership. Okay, they all have a very strong and positive ego, which enable them to define their mission and achieve their goal through their commitment. Okay, for example, if we say in this, we can say Dhirubhai Ambani gave up his job in abroad and returned back to India to start his own business. Okay, and what he has done a great work. Okay, next with respect of work. The entrepreneur should have respect for the work about their deeds. For a successful entrepreneur, there must be a respect for their work. So achieving anything require hard work. Okay. So this biographics of all success entrepreneur reveals that they have biographic of all successful entrepreneur reveals what it says. It says about that they have a they are successful only when they have tried to achieve through the hard work. Okay. This value provide goal direction which encourage them to pursue in their career, in which they reward incentive and directly they earn a good amount of profit. Next, if you see about quest for outstanding performance. Okay, entrepreneurs are dynamic and guided by the values of outstanding performance. Challenges always come in their path. Okay, entrepreneur duty or their quest for excellence is overcome, and who can resolve the problems under pressure. So they must have the quality to resolve the problem under pressure. Okay, they persist hard work, and when anything go wrong, they try to solve the problem even if there is any kind of a pressure. So this was about what we can say about entrepreneurial values. So if you any doubt you can get, you just text me in WhatsApp group so that I can resolve your problems.